Why is monitoring an SQL server so critical, you might ask? Well, it's all about ensuring optimal performance, detecting potential issues early, and maintaining the overall health of your databases. SQL Server Monitoring is like the heartbeat of your database environment, pulsating with every transaction and operation. Firstly, it's important to understand that SQL Server Monitoring is not a one-time task. It's a continuous process, a rhythmic dance of vigilance and action. Picture an orchestra conductor, guiding the symphony of data transactions with precision and harmony. That's what effective SQL Server Monitoring looks like. So how do you take on the role of this conductor? Let's chart out a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Set up alerts. Alerts are your ears and eyes within the system, notifying you of any irregularities or potential issues. They could be set for a variety of parameters like memory usage, CPU usage, or database size. Step 2. Monitor performance metrics. This involves keeping a keen eye on the performance indicators such as query execution time, cache hit ratio, and index usage. These metrics provide a real-time snapshot of your server's performance, allowing you to identify and rectify any bottlenecks swiftly. Step 3. Regularly check the SQL Server logs. These logs are like a diary, chronicling every activity within the server. Regularly reviewing these logs can help identify patterns or anomalies that may hint at underlying issues. Step 4. Monitor and manage server resources. This involves keeping track of the server's memory, CPU, and disk usage. If any of these resources are running low or are being overutilized, it can lead to performance degradation. Step 5. Regularly audit and review user activities. This is particularly important from a security perspective. By keeping an eye on who is accessing what data and when, you can prevent unauthorized access and ensure data integrity. Step 6. Schedule routine maintenance. Just like a car needs regular servicing, your SQL server also needs routine checkups. This includes tasks like updating the software, optimizing indexes, and deleting unnecessary data. To wrap up, SQL Server Monitoring is an essential part of maintaining a healthy and efficient database environment. It's about setting up alerts, monitoring performance metrics, checking server logs, managing server resources, auditing user activities, and scheduling routine maintenance. Remember, the goal of SQL Server Monitoring is not just about detecting and resolving issues, but also about spotting opportunities for improvement and optimization. It's about ensuring that your SQL server is not just surviving, but thriving. So take the baton and conduct your SQL Server symphony with confidence and finesse.